Hi guys, here we are, week 4, spring into action. We're going to start on the ground in our cat-cow. So warming up just before we go into our plank series. Wrists in line with shoulders. Go through your cat-cow 2 to 3 times. Then you're going to come back to a neutral spine. We're going to take that right arm up, get that twist, and bring it down. Really big reach. Again, reach up to the side, get that twist in your spine, and reach it under. One more time on the right, and then you'll repeat on the left side, same thing 3 times. Plank, forearm point, walk those knees back, hips parallel, send legs long as an option. Proud of your head reaching in opposition to your heels. Hold it for about a minute to a minute and a half. Take it into a straight arm plank. Nice long arms, squeeze through that seat. Option to add a few little leg lifts here. Really squeeze through the seat, make sure they're not getting flexion in their back, so everything stays nice and tight. Then you'll pop up to down dog, walk those feet in, get that stretch, head hangs heavy, and then walk those feet in. Find those weights, roll up, setting up for your arms. Feet directly underneath the hip bones, soft bend in the knees, arms long in front of you to start. You're going to drop it down slow and lift. So 2 count drop, 2 count lift, and then you're going to speed it up. So that first set, you'll do about 2 8 counts, then single it out, 2 more 8 counts. Last one, we'll hold at the top, we'll frame the face, tiny lifts. 2 8 counts. Palms will rotate towards you, then you're going to take it to an open and close. Open, close. 2 8 counts, we'll hold that out. We're going to drop it down, lift it up. Drop down, lift. 2 8 counts, you'll hold the top, tiny pulses up, lift, lift. 2 8 counts. Arms will come down to side body, palms flip forward, press it back. 1 8 count. Holding it here, just your right arm, you're going to take a reach, pull it in. 1 8 count. Then left. 1 8 count. Then both together, take it reach, pull it in, 2 8 counts. Hold it here. Arms come to a V, thumbs rotate down, shoulders roll back and down, tiny lifts up. 2 8 counts. You're going to soften reach. 2 8 counts. Hold it there, thumbs rotate up, then down. 1 8 count, final hold, thumbs down. Hold 6 counts and release it. Shoulders roll out. Arms forward, setting up for bicep curls. You're going to curl all the way up, all the way down. 2 8 counts. Then we're going to come to a halfway point. Big press down. Take it, pull, press. 2 8 counts. You'll hold it halfway, pulse it up. 2 8 counts. Come up to tabletop, widen those arms, arms long, palms forward now, hammerhead curls. Take it, switch. 4 8 counts in these hammerhead curls. 2 equals 1. You'll hold that final one in, come in, frame the face. Arms go long behind you, triceps. Super long arms, ribs close on the front body. Tilting forward at the waist, just a couple inches. Tiny lifts up. 2 8 counts, squeeze it in. 2 8 counts. Palms will flip up towards the ceiling. Lift up. 2 8 counts, squeeze in. 2 8 counts. Then you're going to soften reach. 2 8 counts. Hold that reach. Circle it out. You're going to take it up, press out, and around. So small little circles. It's up, out, and around. Lift, out, and around. 2 8 counts. You'll finish there. Final holds, and release it. Going into your stretch. Stretch the arm across each side. Tricep stretch. Press it back. Switch sides. Tricep stretch. Arms come down. You can get that stretch to the shoulders, to the chest. Palms stay together, small little lifts, and then release it. Setting up for push-ups. So 30 push-ups, coming onto the ground. Option to take it to a box or a wall if you need to modify. We can also use the bar. So starting with negatives this week, we're going to take it down into single count up. So 10, down into single count up. Then you're going to reverse it. Single count drop, push up, 2. So 10 on a reverse negative. And then you'll finish with 10 standard push-ups all the way down all the way up. Sit back, child's pose, get that stretch. And round it up. Find your way to standing. This week for seat work, we're going to do standing seat work. Fold over at the bar. So at the bar, arms are going to be long. You're right in front of the bar. You're walking your feet back, bringing your chest parallel to the ground. So an L shape with that body. I'm going to shift this just so you guys can see me a little bit better. So at the bar, I'm folding over the bar, L shape, chest parallel, chins above my shoulders. You want to make sure they're not hanging their head. Widen through those shoulders, lightly pressing down the bar. I'm going to send my leg long, right leg long, square hips, square shoulders, soft bend in my standing leg. Tiny lifts up, super long leg, really pointing to that toe. Lift it up to 8 counts. Then I'm going to soften reach to 8 counts. Find length on that reach. Hold that reach. I'm going to bend my knee in half, toes towards the ceiling, hips are still square. Tiny lifts up to 8 counts. Hold that last one up. I'm going to now open through my hip. So I'm going to switch sides so you can see. So I'm opening through my hip. Toes are going to the opposite wall. I'm going to lift up, side seat. Squeeze, lift. Then I'm going to press it. Toes press to that opposite wall. To 8 counts. Put it together. Lift up, press it. Take it, lift, press. To 8 counts. I'm going to hold that press. I'm going to hold that lift. I'm going to extend it out, deep bend in. Take it, big reach. Bend. Reach. Bend it in. I'm going to hold it long. Hold, 6 counts. Release it, walk it forward. I will figure 4 stretch, whatever side I just worked. So drop that seat down. And then come back up, and then you'll repeat on the other side. So the only reason I switched in the video is so you could see a better image or a better shot of the leg that I was working. So you're going to keep everything on the one side, then you'll switch sides after you do that figure 4 stretch. So from there, you'll go into your dancer stretch and your bar stretch, and then setting up for thigh work this week. So thigh work at the bar, we'll start with our calf raises. Feet in line with hips. Lift all the way up, all the way down. Get that squeeze as you lift. Toes and feet are going to be together this week, zipped up nice and tight. We're going to drop those heels down. Toes are going to open just a couple inches. So a narrow opening this week. About 1 to 2 inches. Heels are glued together. Dive our knees forward, lift those heels 2 inches. We're going to take it down an inch, up an inch, to 8 counts. Keeping that neutral spine, no tuck in the seat. Then you're going to press it down, just down, to 8 counts. Press down, hold it, press those knees back, hold it. Press down, hold it, knees press back, hold it. Now tiny presses out with the legs. Take it, press out, out, out. To 8 counts. Hold that press out, drop it down, tuck, release. To 8 counts. Hold that release, sink down 1 more inch, press out 1 more inch, final hold, bring those hands down, hold 6 counts, and release. So narrow V position, that first one. Then we're going to take it into feet in a parallel position. Toes are forward. Lift those heels nice and high, drop the knees down. We're actually going to use the block here. So you want them to use a block. Heels are going to go on their block, okay? So parallel position, heels on the block, take it down an inch and up to 8 counts. Then hold it down, tiny presses to 8 counts. From here, you're going to tuck, release to 8 counts. Release that tuck, sink down in 2 counts, lift 2 counts. Take it down, 2, up, and 2. For 2 8 counts, and you're going to have them hold that down position, hold that challenge. Arms will come off the bar, nice up over the head, hold, and then release it. Step off the block, slide the block to the side. So narrow V for the first one. Second one is a parallel position, feet separated on the block. And then the last one, we're going to take it into a wide second, so our grand plie can also turn on profile. This helps with spacing. So nice, wide legs, drop down, shoulders over hips. Arms gonna go long in front of you, both arms. Okay, take it down an inch, up. Heels are flat to start. Then press it down. So you do 2 8 counts of it, up an inch, down an inch. Then pulse down, 2 8 counts. Then just left heel will lift, pulse down, 2 8 counts. Then heel drops, right heel lifts, press down, 2 8 counts. Then both heels up, find that balance, pulse it down, 2 8 counts, shoulders over hips. Hold it there, and release, walk those feet in. You'll then take it into your bar stretch at the bar. So on the knees, foot comes up, get that stretch, 90-degree bend, nice long arms, round through the back, scoop out in the waist, energize that knee forward, back to center, extend your leg long, elbows dive down and together, get that stretch, get back. Then take it into your half splits, hold over your legs, square off your hips, option to go into full split.